All right, let's keep going with our center column where it's asking us to get to know the elements. And we need to know which elements are magnetic, and it shows us that there's going to be 3 of them. If we go down and we look at our little key, and it shows us right here that magnetic elements at room temperature are going to have that little magnet sign. And look, I have 3 right here next to each other. I have iron, cobalt, and nickel are the magnetic elements at room temperature. So iron, cobalt, and nickel. Next, it's asking for the top 10 elements that are most abundant in the human body. And remember, we said that abundant means that they are the ones that are found most commonly. And there's going to be 10 of them. This might be a bit hard to remember, but let's see what we can go down and find. If we get rid of our magnetic notes. Again, on our little key, it has a symbol right here, the top 10 elements in the human body. So let's see what we can find. Here I have hydrogen and sodium. I'm going to go up and write those 2 down before I forget them. Hydrogen and sodium. Okay. Next I see potassium and calcium. Potassium and calcium. I see all right, looks like there's some more over here. I have carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. Carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. And I also have phosphorus, which we said before was in bones, sulfur, and chlorine. And those are my last 3. I think I spelled sulfur wrong there. Whoops. Phosphorus and sulfur and chlorine. Did I spell it wrong again? Okay, now it's right. Now it wants to know where are those elements typically found on the table. So let's go down and see. We had a few over here and a bunch over here. So we can say that they tend to be located on the right side we could also say that they tend to be over here in the first 2 groups. All right. Which element is used in bicycles? This one should be easy enough. We're just going to come down here and see where we see a bike. Oops, try to get rid of our notes from the last question. Okay, so where do we see one that has a picture of a bike? Right here, and it's scandium. Next wants to know what is a major element found in eggs, and I think I saw that when we were looking at some earlier. Yeah, right here, when we were looking at sulfur. That one's eggs. Let's see if I can spell it right this time. And then what's a major element found in chlorophyll? And you might remember from 6th grade that chlorophyll is the part of the chemical in plants that help them to take the Earth's sunlight and turn it into energy, and it's also what makes them look green. So if I'm looking for some plants or leaves, oh, here's one right here. So magnesium. All right, I'm going to pause it again, and then we'll do another video with the last column.